Good morning, fellow YouTubers. Today I'll be installing this AFE intake on my 2020 F150 Platinum 3.5 Ecoboost. This is the part number, in case anybody's wondering. It has the dual 3.5-inch aluminum intake tubes, obviously dual filters, and then the actual top mount sits on top of the lower half of the factory airbox. Comes with the couplers. Interesting, it comes with this insert tube that goes inside one of the evap areas on the driver's side turbo inlet pipe to prevent a check engine light. It has to do with the crankcase ventilation. So even though I don't like the concept of putting something in the path of airflow, I'll do it just so I don't have to stare at that light on the dash. I'll give an update after it's installed.